like horsepower or fuel economy, right? But what about the one thing your engine absolutely cannot live without? The oil. The thing is, not all engine oils are made the same, not even close. So today, we're gonna peel back the label and really look at the engineering behind a premium lubricant, Hyundai XTeer. So let me start by asking you a question. What does your modern engine really need? Seriously, think about it. The engines in today's cars are engineering marvels. They're smaller, way more powerful, and they run a whole lot hotter. With tech like turbocharging and gasoline direct injection, GDI for short, they are under an incredible amount of stress. They demand a lubricant that does so much more than just, well, lubricate. It needs to be a suit of armor. And that's where the name itself actually tells you a lot of the story. XTeer. It's short for extreme steering. Now, that's not about turning your wheels. It's about giving you precise control over your engine's performance and its health, making sure you're always in that optimum driving condition no matter what you're putting that engine through. But hey, talk is one thing, right? Performance is something else entirely. So let's cut through the marketing noise and get into the hard data, because that's what really shows what this oil can do. In engineering, the proof is always in the numbers. First things first, let's talk about protecting those high-tech engines we mentioned. GDI and turbo GDI engines can suffer from this really nasty thing called low-speed pre-ignition, or LSPI. You can think of it as a tiny but incredibly destructive misfire that can cause catastrophic damage. XTeer is built